Hi guys, Diane Haygarth here, Millionaire Mom. Do you suck at affiliate marketing? Would you like to know the secret, a three-step blueprint that everybody, all the top guys use to make money online? It's coming up. After you hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up and hit the notifications button. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen and give you the three-step blueprint to success in affiliate marketing. First of all, you need number one, high quality traffic. Now, I'm a bit of a attraction marketing queen here, because I can get 56 leads or more from one Facebook post. I've got a free gift below that you can actually get my little training video and how to follow up from one little question, how to follow them up without being spammy. Okay, high converting sales funnel. You've all seen them, you put your email in and you've got something for $7. Now, that's fine. Everybody will buy something for $7. Now, what you don't know is a good value ladder is $7, $49, $150. You need to upsell people. That's what the best people do. They don't just do a $7 product. They actually upsell at least twice or cross-sell. So if you want to learn how to do that, I've got a 7-day free trial of Builderall that I can offer you below. And when you join me, I can actually pass on any funnels that I've made. So you don't have to. So you don't have to be techie, you just have to join me. And then I will help you on your journey to success. So hit the notifications button, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next video.